In this tutorial, you'll design a product feature spotlight card in Photoshop using custom shapes, a layout widely used on landing pages to draw attention to one key feature at a time. Begin by opening Photoshop and creating a wide rectangular canvas so the design has breathing space. Select the Custom Shape tool and draw a large rounded rectangle in the center to act as the main spotlight card. Choose a soft gradient or flat color that feels premium but not distracting. On one side of the card, place a circle or hexagon custom shape to hold an icon, slightly overlapping the card edge for visual interest. Now add a thin horizontal rectangle shape beneath the icon to separate it from the text area. Use the Type tool to write a bold feature title followed by a short explanatory paragraph. Adjust